Not a complete cold start video, something just to get up and going on the website though. Drove this car to a nearby park, take some photos. There's a key switch right here. Go ahead and switch that on. You might hear a hum in the background. That's the electric fuel pump that we installed. When you also kick over the ignition switch, you see that your fuel gauge kicks on over as well. Among the various switches, there's the start right here. So we're in neutral. We're gonna go ahead and pull this out. Fires right up.